Hello, everybody. We have a major winter storm affecting Central Ohio this week. Let's get right into the. We're finally doing this. It took an hour and a half of computer issues, having to uninstall Office and reinstall it, but we are here. 3 to 5 inches of snow by Friday evening. Wind chills will be extremely low as well, maxing out or really minimizing out near negative 20 by Saturday morning, and it'll still be 10 below zero. The wind chill will be on Christmas morning. Those winds will be gusty to 50, 55 miles an hour. We will have major to extreme impacts Friday and Saturday. It's going to be wild. Thursday, rain snow mix in the morning, becoming all rain in the afternoon. By the evening, it becomes rain snow again. About 1 inch of snow by the time we hit midnight. Wouldn't recommend travel as we head towards those evening hours, but throughout most of the day, it'll be decent. On Friday, that snow will continue, and at that same time, the wind speeds are going to increase rapidly. As I mentioned, gusts 50 to 55 miles an hour. Those temperatures are going to drop like a rock with those big winds as well. Wind chills down to negative 10. Storm total is going to be 3 to 5 inches by Friday evening. As we head into Saturday, we'll still have blowing snow due to those 50-mile-an-hour winds, as well as wind chills near negative 20 degrees due to single-digit temperatures in conjunction with those very strong winds. By Sunday on Christmas Day, those winds will die down, but we'll still have temperatures in the low single digits, which means those wind chills are going to be about negative 10 degrees. Still, we have a lot to talk about because the snow should remain on the ground and we should get a white Christmas. Odds right now are going to be 80%. No watches or warnings right now, 100% chance that we at least get a winter weather advisory. A blizzard warning or a winter storm warning are also within the realm of possibility. As we take a look at the GFS model, we can see a decent amount of snowfall, probably 3 to 4 inches in the city. Outside of the city, perhaps 6, isolated to 7 or 8, depending on how exactly the storm lines up. Of course, it could be more or less depending on those last minute shifts. I mean, it's still a decent ways away. The storm is. Wind chills will also be a concern, as I alluded to. We will definitely get a wind chill advisory. We'll be well below negative 10 wind chills for a period well over probably 48 hours. Wind chill watches or warnings are also possible, and especially in those suburban areas. I wouldn't be surprised to see the wind chills go below 25, below zero. As you can see in the city, if it's going to be negative 20 in the city, usually it means the suburbs are going to push negative 25, resulting in that wind chill warning. As we can see here, we'll have that rain snow mix transitioning to rain, then rain snow mix again, then snow, blowing snow, and those gusty winds continuing, resulting in very low wind chills. We're below 10 below wind chills for a period of over 24 hours, about probably 30 hours or so, maybe even a bit longer than that. And those wind chills will be below zero for a period of at least 2.5 days. Luckily, the actual temperatures won't get below zero, but still, it's going to be very cold, and that wind, when you have a gust, will make it even colder than the wind chill. The wind chill will be even colder than the actual wind chill when you have those wind gusts. And so, as you can see here, Saturday morning is the worst time for those cold winds, wind chills. And then again on Christmas morning, it will also be very chilly. The Weather Prediction Center is expecting a minor impacts, generally likely due to snow amount and snow rate, as well as possibly snow load and blowing snow, as I mentioned earlier. Moderate impacts, major impacts also possible, and of course those probabilities will increase with time, because part of the reason the probabilities are low is because predictability is not as great far in advance. This slide wasn't updated, and neither was this slide. I didn't change that since the previous video, but if we go back to our key messages, I can tell you the gist of things. It's going to be snowy, it's going to be cold, it's going to be windy. We got all three threats coming at you. I'll have another update tomorrow morning. That's all for now. Chris 6 over the Catholic Media.